Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, now we're gonna pop the hood. There's a release right here next to your footrest. To actually hit the release, there's a release tab right underneath. You're gonna push up on it. All right, so first we have the coolant reservoir right there. We have your washer fluid. We have your engine oil dipstick. We have your engine oil fill over here. We have your brake fluid reservoir right there. And the transmission fluid is from down below, but it's not something you need to regularly check. It is a manual transmission, and the power steering is electric, so there is no power steering fluid. All right, so we're gonna start with the coolant. To check your coolant, you can open up the fill. Make sure you're doing this when the engine is not hot. And you can see the level of the coolant, and there is a line over on the side. It shows where the coolant should be. Once you top it off, you can put your cap back on and thread it back in, screw it down, and then there's a lock. You'll hear a click. Now we're going to top off our washer fluid. You're going to pop the cap and top it off, and then put the cap back down, make sure it clicks. Next, we're going to check the oil level. You're going to check your dipstick, pull it straight up. First, we're going to wipe it off. I'm going to put it back in the hole and pull it back out. This one looks pretty good. It's in between the hash marks. If it's closer to the bottom, you need to add. If it's closer to the top, then it's good. This is where you would add the oil to the engine if it was low, or when you're changing it, you just twist it, pull the cap off. You can use a funnel, add your oil, and then when you're done, put it down and twist. All right, the brake fluid reservoir is right here in the back. When you're checking the brake fluid or adding brake fluid, you want to clean off the top with a rag, so no particles get in there. We're going to twist the cap off to the left. The indicator for the brake fluid is on the front of this. This vehicle has been modified, so this snorkel may not be the same as yours. So it's hard to see where the brake fluid level indicator is. You put the cap back on and twist it down tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.